So once you have, like, say, uploaded all your metadata, right, you can see it on, like, in the all metadata tab. So like everything will be stored here in a folder structure, and then like we have these like created dashboards for you. So charts, images, monitoring, source code, and artifacts. These are all pre-created for you. So depending on the dataset type, you will like see your data like visualized in these dashboards. What you can also do is like create your own custom dashboards, having only the metadata or like the parameters or like anything which you want to see in one view without having to like scroll through multiple dashboards or like go into different folders. So like for example, like we have created a like couple of custom dashboards. So one is this. It has my accuracy, it has my loss, it has all the charts I'm like interested in. And these dashboards are like say persistent. So once you create a dashboard, two things happen. So you save a dashboard and then it becomes persistent. If you want to share the dashboard with someone, just like copy the URL, send them the URL, and as long as they have access to that project, they'll be able to see the exact same thing that you are seeing. One. And second is it does not matter which run you create a dashboard is. So currently I'm in this run PTL 122. This dashboard like shows me the like say metadata of this run, but the dashboard structure is actually shared among all the runs of an experiment. So if I like head over to 50, I'll head over to another run. Yeah, this now this shows me the details of this run PTL 16. The structure remains the same, but the data updates based on which run is currently open or active. So like this, like let's say for example you have like approvers or viewers who will not be running, who will not be like say running experiments. They are just like interested in like tracking the progress of experiments. So like you can create dashboards for you can add what metadata or metrics they would be interested in, just create a dashboard and share it with them. And like as long as they have at least viewer access to the project, they can like view the dashboards and like not have to do any change or not have to be like a contributor to the project to be able to view the dashboards. That being said, the reporting functionality which we are currently working on, that will also add the ability to like say have like say add text, markdown text, and like collaborate on what the contents of the like dashboard is in real time. So currently like this is like what most of our clients also use as reporting, and this can also like be embedded in your other reporting software. If you use like say if you for example use Notion, you can just copy this link, put it in Notion, and like anyone who has access to this can access it from Notion, and vice versa as well. If you want to add text to this, like say a text or a description of the experiment which is in Notion, you can we support embedding HTML, so you can just pass the path of the report, and then like you'll be able to interact with that document within this dashboard. So it can be like say an interactive HTML or a link to a website, and then you'll be able to open the website and like interact with that report within this Neptune dashboard. So basically like you can have everything together in this one like customizable dashboard.